my name's Corinne and welcome to Oven Mitts Without Any Tits. Now, today we're not going to be doing anything in the oven, so I don't know why we've got the oven mitts, but that's the section that we're calling this. So what we're going to do today is just a very quick video on what you can do if you're feeling like maybe you want to shed a few pounds, and if anything like me, you go straight to the fridge, straight to the sweetie cupboard. I mean, I know, don't buy any sweeties in, that would be far easier. But if you just crave something sweet and you want to sort of like watch your waistline, this is so simple. You might turn your nose a bit at first, but honestly, try it, because it's just something you can have in, easy to do, and very tasty as well. And it take a while to get through, so it feels like you're eating for a long time even though you're not. So basically, it's frozen grapes with jelly crystals on. So this is something that we used to have quite a lot while we're doing Slimmer World actively, and we are kind of getting back to it now because we've both put a few pounds on. So I do want to kind of get the pounds off and get back to my target weight. It's only about half a stone, so it's not a massive amount. So basically all you do is, and it really is as simple as this, you just throw a few grapes into a plastic pot. So you can either get, I tend to use the red grapes and the green grapes, but you've got the black ones as well. Obviously make sure they're all seedless, because I don't be dealing with frozen seeded grapes. And just throw some in a pot. You could do it where you've got all one flavour or a mixture of flavour in the pots. When I say flavour, I mean coloured grapes. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. So I think these I'm just going to do all one colour. And you just fill it up as far up as you so desire. Now generally both Neil and I will eat one tub between us at a time. So they do kind of take a little bit of getting through because they're frozen, or they will be frozen. At the minute they're not. They've been in the fridge and I took them out maybe like 10 minutes ago, just because they can get a bit of condensation on them. So, tub of grapes, and all you do is you get like these jelly crystal packs, and you open one up, sprinkle it all over, put your lid on, and give it a shake. And it just makes sure all the jelly crystals gets all over the bits of grapes. Ready for the freezer, and all you do, put them in the freezer, probably for about 24 hours till they get fully frozen, and they are ready to eat then. So come back tomorrow, I'll come back tomorrow, you stay there, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Simple. So here we are. This is a pack of the frozen grapes. You can see what they look like. They just taste like sweeties, because all you do, grab one, chuck in your mouth, suck away at it, and then it sort of slowly just sort of defrosts in your mouth, and then you can eat it. So it's like having a little packet of sweeties on the side of your while you're watching TV, while you're working, while you're doing whatever. It's a little healthy snack to keep you going. So get rid of the chocolate and go for these. Good. I'm a chomper, so I kind of I chomp it while it's still quite frozen, and then I just swallow it. So there you go, healthy snack, jelly grapes. Now, if you try making these, let me know what you think. You can also try the fruits as well. You can try maybe some frozen strawberries, frozen raspberries. But these for me are just fairly easy and fairly quick to do, because you just chuck them in a pot. Job of the good one. So thanks for watching. If you hit the like and subscribe if you have liked the video, of course. Subscribe to the channel to see what else we've got coming up. And don't forget, stay tuned, stay safe. Catch you later.